heard the platform word tossed out multiple times today, and it's a very overloaded term. But, just as a thought experiment, what makes a great platform? Well, first and foremost, it is a mechanism for helping you achieve your business outcomes. So how many here took Lyft or Uber to the hotel? Probably a lot, right? I mean, it's not a good look if the service is unavailable, when you need a ride, right? So we match a rider with a driver, mission accomplished, outcome is achieved. And so at Cority, our philosophy is really threefold in terms of what we're delivering for a platform. First, it should be secure by design. You don't want to have to think twice about what the software is doing, how the agents are operating on your data, and the expectations of the software. It should be auditable and transparent so you can take a look about what's going on. Did we really do the things that we said we did? Can I get a report? And so on. And then it needs to be a heartbeat and a rhythm in your organization. Just as a doctor reaches for his scalpel, it needs to be efficient and perfect for the job when you need it. That's what we're expecting of our platform. And it's really what we're building.
And along those lines, one of the key areas of investment and focus over the past 18 months is our UI UX, so the usability of the platform, to try to make a more seamless, cohesive application for all of you. So if you have multiple solutions, you feel and there's continuity between the various solutions that you all have. Last year, we called out some of this as a focus and investment, and we're going to be rolling it out to all of you throughout this year. So as we embed more capabilities, we need to provide greater and better context for all of you and all of our users as to where you are in the solution. One step of many is updating our nomenclature around some of our engines. One is GX2. We also have EMS WAB and EMS. Those were the old names. You can see in the middle the full new name, and then over to the right where we have core, workflows, and calcs.
I want to talk to you about something else that's a prerequisite to delivering AI workloads and the fast pace of innovation, and that is the way that we release software. That is also part of the product design. And so the big bang releases that we used to do in years past are not going to fit the bill anymore for this rapid pace of innovation. We need a mechanism to deliver software to you on a continuous basis. So our mantra with our platform and EHS now is release and deploy early and often. This doesn't mean that we're smacking you in the face with a bunch of new features all the time. What it means is that we have the capability to turn on features slowly, like a dimmer switch, raise them up, look at 5%, in our customer ecosystem, 10%, ramp it up slowly, see how it's doing. If there's a problem, we can roll it back. So again, coming to the whole stability aspect of the platform, which is deeply important to us, it needs to be available all the time. And we need to be able to inject these changes and features and tests and so on into that ongoing environment. To capabilities now and design in general. Wherever you have friction in a process, a wonky, thing that you're doing with your job, that friction is an opportunity for our team to look at improving the process, improving the interface, improving how you interact, and even with now prompt engineering with AI, how to just get one step closer to the problem and a more elegant solution.